So I've got this Simpson Jupiter Oven here. This has a problem. When you try and do the light function over here, it doesn't work. So if you flick it over the light, there's no light, the light's gone. So I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb. So just up there in the top corner of the oven, you see the little housing there? The bulb is inside that. That actually unscrews, but they can actually be really tight, especially if they've been there for a long time. They can actually be really hard to get out. So sometimes you actually need to use a bit of force. So all you do is unscrew that anti-clockwise. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I've got these, don't squeeze too hard, you just get onto it to grab it so you can get it started off. So let's get on there. Okay, let's move it. And the bulb is inside there, and you just have to unscrew that as well. And there is the bulb. Looking a bit worse for wear. There you go, there's the bulb. As you can see, it's quite a mess. Let's get the new one. These are the bulbs I'm using, 25 watt clear bulbs, rated 300 degrees C. So they're actually meant for ovens. There it is there, it's an ES bulb. You can see the markings on there, see what it actually is. Might help you. Right, let's install the bulb. Screw it in. And before I fit the cover, I'm going to try turning the light on, see if it actually works. Yep, it works. Look at that. Awesome. Let's put the cover back on. Sometimes it can be a bit fiddly getting them back on. Get them screwed in nicely. Here we go, that's in. Do like hand tight. Do not use these, just hand tight's fine. And that's it. Job is done.